The GreenLife Soft Grip Cookware set offers a thoughtfully chosen mix of pans, pots, lids, steamer, and utensils that can handle everyday cooking without leaving you hunting for extra pieces. Its ceramic nonstick surface releases food easily and is formulated without common persistent chemicals or heavy metals, which will appeal to health-conscious home cooks. The soft, stay-cool handles feel secure in the hand and make it easier to move hot pans around the kitchen without needing bulky mitts every time. A strengthened base helps the pans sit flat and heat more evenly, so pancakes, eggs, and sauces cook consistently instead of developing hot spots. Rivet-free interiors and dishwasher-safe construction keep cleanup simple, and the smooth ceramic surface tends to wipe clean with minimal scrubbing. Tempered glass lids, oven-safe versatility, and the use of recycled materials in the pan bodies round out a set that balances convenience, visibility, and a more eco-aware design.